Hi guys, I'm Miss Tiffany, the Youth Services Librarian here at Retama Central Library, and welcome to another episode of Teens and Tweens DIY. Today on Teens and Tweens DIY, we are going to be creating snake corner bookmarks. The materials that you are going to need are red, yellow, white, pink, and green paper. You'll also need a marker, a ruler, glue or glue stick, a pencil, and scissors. Getting ready. Select the area you will work, gather your materials, and cover your workspace with old newspaper. Let's get started. Step 1. Using the ruler, measure out a 6x6 square from the green paper. Cut the square out and then rotate the paper to make a diamond. Step 2. Fold the bottom corner of the green paper up to the top corner. This will form a triangle. Bring the right corner up to the top corner and fold. Now, bring the left corner up to the top corner and fold again. You may pause the video here and look at the pictorial directions on the screen to guide you in folding your paper. Step 3. Unfold both the right and left corners, as shown in picture A. Take the top of the triangle and fold the flap down to the bottom of the triangle as shown in picture B. Then fold the right corner up to the top of the triangle as shown in picture C. Tuck the right corner behind the folded flap and repeat the process with the left corner. Now we're ready to move on to step 4. Using the pink paper, draw a half circle. You can use your pencil to do this. I've used a marker so you could see the line clearly. Then you're going to cut out the half circle shape for the inside of the mouth of your bookmark. Glue the half of the circle onto the bottom of the bookmark as shown in the last picture. Step 5. Using the ruler, draw 2 small triangles on the white paper. These will be used for the fangs. Using your scissors, cut out the fangs and then glue the fangs inside the bookmark as shown in picture B. Let's move on to step 6. Using the yellow paper, draw 2 small diamond shapes. These will be used for the eyes of your snake bookmark. Using your scissors, cut out the eyes or the diamond shapes and glue the eyes to the bookmark. Use your marker to draw the black marks for the pupils. Step 7. Using the ruler and red paper, draw the tongue for your snake. Cut the tongue out and glue to the inside of the bookmark. Let the glue dry completely. Then, using your markers, draw the nostrils for the snake onto your bookmark. You did it! Enjoy your snake corner bookmark. Well, I do hope that you enjoyed our snake corner bookmark DIY for this week. Join us next time on Teens and Tweens DIY. I am Miss Tiffany, the Youth Services Librarian here at Retama Central Library. Until next time, bye!